Welcome back to another episode. This one, we've made it to one of our bucket list destinations.
The Great Ocean Road.
Yeah, we're here, baby.
Finally.
We're going west to east, so we don't quite get the big iconic sign, the Torquay end, but we'll hang around to the end and we'll show you that one when we make it to the other end. But yeah, plenty to see in between here and there, and can't wait to tick off some of the most iconic destinations in Australia. So
yeah, so we're headed to Joanna Beach National Park, stay today. It's probably about halfway along or close to.
Got a couple of nights there.
Yeah, we'll do a couple of day trips out and around, I think, without the van, and see what we can see.
But yeah, let's go.
Woo!
All right, so we've stopped in at the Bay of Islands boat ramp. It's there's another lookout just up over the top here that we'll go and check out, but the
we just read lots of reviews about this boat ramp and how
hectic it is, but
it is, and yeah, it lives up to its reputation.
Man, this is no joke. I was thinking around, there's a I don't know if the camera's doing it justice, but this thing is deep. There's a 79 series up in the car park with a big trailer on the back that, man, it's putting in some hard work getting out of here. This thing's full on. It's up there with the more hectic boat ramps I've ever seen in my life. But the Bay of Islands, I'll swing it around and just have a look from this angle. Pretty bloody impressive, just quietly. But you'd imagine on a rough day it should be pretty wild in here, but yeah, it's pretty cool.
Today it's absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, it's dead
the
flat.
weather's turned on a great day for us today.
Yeah, dead flat, no wind yet. So, and I might try and find this other lookout and give you some better footage of the Bay of Islands, but yeah, pretty cool. But yeah, this boat ramp, if you're into boating, I don't recommend using this one. I'm sure there's some better options, but people obviously do. But anyway, yeah, so the boys wanted to come down to the beach and have a look anyway, so I still don't know if this gives any sort of perspective, but check that out. I don't know what the camera doesn't give it the real perspective, but man, that's chaotic. But obviously the fishing's worth it because there's a few boats here, so, but bloody gorgeous little cove down here. And as far as being scenic goes, it's well up there. But yeah, I don't know if I'd be launching my boat, but anyhow, we'll hang out here for a little bit. I can see a stingray in the water just over there.
A stingray?
Bay of Islands and the start of the Great Ocean Road coast. Very rugged coastline.
Absolutely stunning.
Yeah, the Bay of Islands is cool. We got it on a cracking day. So flat and
the ocean's blue,
yeah.
The rocks are red. It's absolutely amazing, the colours. And
yeah, so if it's the rest of it's anything like this, it's going to be a good trip. Lots of people starting to turn up. So if you wanted to do it all to yourself, you're probably not going to happen. But anyway, right, we're on to the next one. Don't know what it is, but we'll see when we get there. Our next up along is Bay of Martyrs. Yeah, another stunning little stop. Nice and easy to get into with the van. There's a long parking bay. It's yeah, it gives a true indication of how sparse the coastline is. There's nothing but rugged cliffs and waves everywhere. So yeah, no, very nice. So from Bay of Martyrs, your little short walk around to Worm Bay. You can drive a car in here. We've got the van on, so the parking area is not suitable for vans and stuff, but yeah, cracking little cove in there.
So we're just at the Peterborough lookout. There's a big car park up the top here. It's on the, well, we're travelling, what direction are we travelling?
We're travelling east.
Oh, we're travelling east, so it's on the eastern side of town. You just turn right into it and drive up. It's got a boat ramp here and a lovely lookout of the coast. So yeah, suitable for caravans to come up and park, lots of parking and turning area, and a great stop in.
So walking into the grotto, as you can see, timber boardwalk all the way in, so easy for everyone. So it's about 700 metres return apparently, but yeah, very easy to do from all accounts. But yeah, we'll go and check it out. There's the grotto. Yeah, it's cool. Sandstone hole in the rocks. Yes. A few steps down there, so definitely a little bit of mobility needed, but nothing too strenuous. But yeah, that's cool. And so again, the Grotto car park, well and truly accessible by caravans. Plenty of long spaces and whatnot. So yeah, another one you can quite easily do if you're still hooked up. Yeah, like I said, nice easy walk in, and yeah, worth a stroll in there. It's pretty cool. Where are we?
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down.
Yeah, one of the more iconic stops on the Great Ocean Road, the London Bridge. The cliffs around here are epic. It's just a vibrant orange and they're just dead straight up and down. So yeah, this is very, very cool. Again, easy walk in. Doable by everyone. And yeah, this one's definitely a must do. This is cool. Tell me that's not some of the coolest coastline you've ever seen. This is from the top lookout at the London Bridge. The cliffs just drop straight down to the beach below. Absolutely stunning. That's cool. And they're being sandstone, obviously they're like shades of orange and reds and whatnot. So, but then with the green all growing over them, it's amazing. Very, very cool. And it's just off the main road, like I said, and you can get your vans in here and nice easy walks to everything. So Yeah, definitely add this one to the list for sure.
We're being saucy.
This is just that I could stop for a bite to eat. You know,
I want to do it hard.
Peterborough? No,
Port Campbell.
Port Campbell. And yeah, now we've moved on to the Razorback and the inland cave. Yeah, it's so different to the other ones. This one, it's just like a little channel down through the rocks and just that big, massive big bit jutting up. Yeah, very cool. So I'll go down and check out, I think the inland caves is just back that way a bit. And
Thunder Caves.
Thunder Caves. And show you that when we get there. Tunnel. So we come down into Lockhart Gorge. The boys are killing for a swim, so I don't know how long they'll be in there. I reckon that water's going to be freezing, but anyway, see how they go. How is it, boys?
Cold. Bad. Totally just waiting for the big waves to come. Because we're playing a game where you have to like grab on and then the waves come up and then they suck you back down. You gotta try to stay still.
Yeah, they can have that game all on their own. Thanks. I put my feet in. Bloody freezing. Anyway. So as you get that at the bottom of Australia.
So the joys of being about 16 metres long. You don't fit in any of the car parks. Take a look at this.
I don't have shoes and socks. Do you need my shoes and socks?
She's a big boy.
Wait, can I have my
Still sticking out at the back, but and the front. But what can you do? That's all they give you. We're going to take a look at the 12 Apostles now. So we're going to do a walk over and take a look
to the most iconic thing on the Great Ocean Road, and it's clearly no secret because there are probably 2,000 people with us.
We're here on a Tuesday, and yeah, it's packed. They're packed in. So let's go have a look, see if we can get a bit of a view.
Everything else has been alright, but the 12 Apostles is pretty full on. But anyway, you got to do it. You know, have you been to the Great Ocean Road if you don't go to the 12 Apostles? I think not. Righto, let's do it. Yeah, so just another thing too, when you come to the 12 Apostles, you can't park near it. You've got to park across the street and then walk. It's about a kilometre return drive, so this is a walk, drive, yeah, you know what I mean.
It's about a kilometre walk from the car park.
Yeah, so then the rest of them you can all park near, but this one's probably the furthest away and it's very touristy. But yeah, so don't expect to come to this one and it'll be right on the water. So anyway, we'll do the walk in and show you when we get there. One of the most iconic views in Australia right there. Definitely been on the bucket list for a while, so pretty stoked to be here. It's pretty amazing too, just quietly. Heaps of people, but yeah, it's awesome. And there's not quite 12 of them left anymore, but it's still pretty cool to see. Happy to be here. made it to our campground, national park campground at Joanna Beach. Probably halfway along the Great Ocean Road roughly. Bloody beautiful. It's a bit slopey, our site's pretty slopey. You can't really tell what they look like when you book them on the National Park sites, but anyway, nice and shady and nice green grass, so pretty beautiful. We're just cracking some bacon and eggs for dinner, so we've had a big day. Everyone's very sunburnt and tired and cooked, and we couldn't be bothered doing a full meal, so bacon and eggs, and just going to chill with a couple of bevies and rest our sunburn. Anyway, I'll show you around the beach tomorrow and whatnot, but yeah, no, beautiful spot.